Hi guys, welcome to Distracker channel guys. So guys, recently I have received the 2-3 comments, so I'm unable to create app installs. How we can advertise app install through Facebook. So what is the priority we can use? So you can selecting any app install through page or any app. Suppose I'm selecting for here application. That is a Swiggy or Zomato, anything. What is the app application will be there? Select the first application. Okay. Next will be go to Ads Manager, create ad. In this app install, when selecting app install, they're showing two options: automated app ads, app ad. In this selecting for app ad option. Okay. After that, they adding for more options here. Don't click any option. Just to click the first step, app ad. Steps are clearly followed. Automated app ad, don't click. After this one, so what are the ad you design here? In this app install app ad. Buying type is auction. Okay. A/B test. I'm not looking this option. Click for next option. What are the steps looking? Just you can follow the instructions. After that, what is the app you create? In this URL will be add this option. Add it. Next, catalog, not interested. Daily budget, I'll go with the minimum 80 rupees. Reach and link clicks. That is, after that, I'm not mentioning end date. Why I'm not mentioning end date is called this ad anytime I can run. I can run anytime this particular ad here. So that is called I'm not giving any option. This location, total India, age people, I can target up to 45 years. All gender, all languages, save audience. My placement, first of all, in this ad, visible by the which placements, first of all. The placement we can check all placement, Facebook, audience network, Instagram, Messenger. So if you are show all placement, don't click the manual, go with the automatic. Any specific placements, go with them. Show more options. Here is the particular things. After this one, here, link clicks, everything here. Don't give the cost control option. If you give the cost control, per click will be charging for 100 rupees. There is a different for the particular budget option. So guys, here the control budget will be there. Don't mention the control budget. So same, if you use the control budget or not, clicks will be same. After that, next option. Here, selecting your Facebook page. So select your Facebook page option. In this, what are the images are here? Add your particular images. Image or your option. Any image that will be accepted in this. Done. They are totally showing for 14 placements here. Instagram feed, Instagram stories, Instagram Explorer, audience network. Here, video is not available. Inbox stories, search results, and Facebook feed, instant article, instant video, and video feed option is there. Facebook marketing and Facebook stories. So finally, the option name is called here, install now. The option will be, here is the primary text will be here. So what are the primary text? You can add it here, add the primary text option. So as you wish, you can add your primary text in this. So here is a link. So that is a call. I'm adding the text. Some people are asking, sir, deep link is paragraph, link is not there. His option will be different. So here, so that is called, you can add your website link. So say also the add accepted. Remove this one. So after this one, the feed is correctly added. Finally, click for publish this option. The option will be install now. There is option will be install now. The variant will be visible by the complete 14 platform. One platform will be not approved. That is called audience network rewarded videos option. So remain all will be accepted. This pattern will be followed to increase your app installs by using Instagram, audience network, and Facebook option. Finally, click for publish. So these all ad will be shown to the customers in the particular field option. So this is a follow the instruction to increase your app install from Facebook. Any further query, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.